Peen going to give you pus, worms, parasites, and cancer part 12. As we continue, it says here rarely, but this rarely thing. Anyway, the infection may spread via the bloodstream. The bloodstream. Now it gets into your whole system, as we mentioned before. It's in your whole system, causing inflammation of the joints or liver. So your knees are swollen. Your joints, your wrist is swollen. You know, you're feeling those pains. You think it's because you've been typing on the keyboard too much. Your liver is swollen. Poor thing, it's just trying to do its best job. If your infection is untreated, you may pass it on to other sexual partners. You're going to pass it on. Not me. You're going to pass it on. Yeah. In order for it to not be passed on, all the people them that you've been having sex with must also be treated. And all finish all the treatment and then be treated. Actually have this antibiotic work, as we see a lot of antibiotics nowadays are not powerful enough to treat the diseases that are mutating out here. Interestingly enough, they're kind of suggesting here that there's a link between all of these diseases and infections I've mentioned previously. If you've been diagnosed with LGV, it is recommended, yes, that you have a full STI screening, including gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV. Yeah, there's a connection to all of these. This LGV is nothing to be played with. It's a severe inflammatory disease, infection, an invasive infection. Invasive, okay? But have you ever heard of it? Have you? Have you? Tell me, honestly. Tell me, have you heard of it? Ladies, as mentioned before, there are a lot of men that have no problem sleeping with men or having sexual intimacy with men. So the exposure among men who sleep with men or women can result in proctocolitis. And this is the most common presentation of the infection, which can also mimic inflammatory bowel disease. And the next part will continue.